When you arrive at your packing station, the first thing to do is clean your hands. Be sure that everyone grabs a sanitizing wipe from the container at your station. Rub down your hands thoroughly and then place it in the nearest trash can. If at any point you cough, sneeze, take out your cell phone or camera, or dirty your hand in any other way, please be sure to grab another wipe and sanitize them again. At your station, you will notice that the bins and boxes of food are closed. If you're working with the ingredients, you can now open these containers. Make sure you get the plastic all the way around the bins and the box flaps. Now you're ready to pack. The first step of packing is to place the bag on the funnel. To start, grab a bag and place your hands on the outside. Rub back and forth and pinch from the outside to open. It's important to never stick your hands inside the bag to open it up. Then, slide the bag around the funnel and hold it with 2 hands. You are then ready to start packing the ingredients. If you're working with the ingredients, you'll be wearing plastic gloves, which you will find underneath the funnel at your station. Only those volunteers who are scooping ingredients or wearing a ring with a stone on it will need to wear gloves. The order of the ingredients is vitamins, veggies, soy, and rice. The first ingredient is the vitamins. Take a heaping scoop and press the mixture up against the side of the box and pack it in, creating a compact and level scoop. Then tap it into the funnel and into the bag. Next, take a heaping scoop of veggies and shake it level. Then tap it into the funnel and into the bag. The next ingredient is soy. Grab the brown cup and get a heaping scoop and shake it level. Pour that into the bag. Rice is the last ingredient. Grab the white cup, shake it level, and pour it into the funnel. Once all 4 ingredients have been put in, carefully remove the bag from the funnel and step to the side to weigh your bag. To turn on the scale, first take the plastic container off the scale, then press the on button. Once the scale is on, place the container back on the scale, press the on button again, and make sure the scale reads 0. Every bag must weigh between 380 and 400 grams. There's a diagram to help you remember this target weight. It also has instructions on how to use the scales. Between the scales, you will find an empty container. Please place a cup of rice in this bin. This is what you will use if the weight of the bag is not in the specified range. If the bag is below 380 grams, scoop some rice into the bag, and if the bag is over 400 grams, take some rice out. Once the bag is within range, place it into the holding bin so the bag does not tip. There, the bag will wait to be sealed. Sealing is a very important job and must be done by 2 people. At least one of the sealers must be an adult, 18 or older. The adult's role will be to take the bag from the holding bin, hold right above the rice line with your thumb and forefinger, and pull the bag tight, squeezing out the air. You will keep holding until the bag is fully sealed. You will notice at the top of the bag there is a designated seal area, which is your target when placing it in the sealer. Please make sure the sealer is set at 3. At this point, the volunteer of any age will press down on the handle. A red light at the end of the sealer will turn on and off. When the light is off, you know it's sealed. For a bit of quality control, please double check the first few bags carefully to make sure it is sealed by pressing up on the rice or tugging on the flaps. If you notice that it's not fully sealed or there's a grain of rice or a wrinkle in the seal, please reseal it. When bags are fully sealed, the sealer can place finished bags on the edge of the numbered table. From there, the boxer will take over. In addition to looking for bags that aren't sealed correctly, the boxer has a lot of responsibility. The table is numbered 1 through 18. The boxer will place 2 bags on each number. Once the table is full, you've reached 36 bags and you are ready to pack a box. To ensure an accurate number, let any newly sealed bags pile up on the side until you've finished your current box. You will find empty boxes under or behind your table. Grab an empty box and turn it so the children face you. Before filling it, take a marker and write your table number on the inside flap. You can find your table number on the table. To make sure the bags don't pinch or pop during their long travel, we ask that you follow the boxing diagram at your table. The side with the children will have 3 bags touching it, and the blue flaps will meet in the middle. If you have any questions, be sure and grab a staff member, and we're happy to help. Once the box is ready, you get to lead the entire team in yelling out some sort of cheer to let the warehouse crew know that you've finished a box.
Table 2!
You can be as creative as you want with this process, so have fun with it. Other times that you're going to have to yell is when you run out of any supplies or ingredients needed to keep packing. For example, if you need rice, yell, "Rice, please!" Waving your hands is also a great way to get the warehouse's attention. You will do the same with labeled bags and empty boxes. We know that spills will happen, but please try to keep them to a minimum. Any ingredient that does not make it into the bag must be thrown away. The ingredients have all been paid for by donations, and we don't want to throw any food away. If you do spill, it is important to clean it up immediately. There is a dustpan and scraper at your table, which are for the funnel stand and tabletops only. Any food in the metal tray under the funnel can be returned to the rice bin for reuse. Brooms will be used for the floor. In order to pack efficiently, the best possible positioning is 2 people at the ingredients, 1 person at the vitamin and veggies, and the other person at the soy and the rice, both wearing gloves. Then 2 people at the funnel, 1 on each side facing each other. They will alternate placing a bag on the funnel, stepping to the side, and weighing their own bag and placing them in the holding bin. There should always be 2 people at each sealer, including 1 adult. And finally, 1 person boxing. If all spots are filled and we have extra volunteers, the best place to fill in is at the scales, weighing the bags for your baggers. If there are still extras, there can be up to 4 people at the ingredients, each working with 1 ingredient. Remember, the first thing to do at your table is sanitize your hands. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your packing experience.